Hey, I'm Chloe from Stagebuddy.com, and today we're interviewing Yanami with her one-woman show, A Day in the Life of Miss Hiccup at Frigid New York Festival. So, what is Miss Hiccup? What is the character?
Miss Hiccup lives alone. She looks like this. So, all covered with the hundreds and hundreds of flowers. And she lives alone in her house. And she cannot speak because he hiccups too much. Like, so she cannot speak. But she entertains herself all day long from morning until night. So
Okay.
so she try not to be bored.
Okay, so what will the audience get from watching this show?
I hope people can find many small things in the ordinary life. The small things can be really funny or strange or dramatic things. So people can realize that our lives are really, really interesting and many possibilities.
And is it speaking or dancing or music?
Oh, it's a solo physical comedy show.
Okay.
So I don't speak.
Okay.
All about the beautiful music and interesting sound effects a lot.
And did you create this on your own, or did you collaborate with anyone?
Basically, I created all my show, but I have one musician and composer. Like he arranges the music or he creates the sound effects.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Check out Yanami's show and 28 others at stagebuddy.com, part of Frigid New York Festival.